Hey, what is up, lawn care community? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. I'm gonna take this grass flap off, like I said. On this Gravely Pro stance, there's the belt covers. I took those off too. I don't know, the belt system is fairly compact on this mower. I'll take this top cover off and show you guys here. So the deck is kind of like a heart shape. It's pretty nice. I just took, my time finding the right socket, and I just started wiggling away at all the bolts on here. One socket was the same, size for all the bolts to take off the grass flap. Anyways, guys, I was just having a little fun in the disclaimer, although I do see a ton of people just bungee cord their grass flaps up, and you're not really utilizing it at all in the field. So I am going to be putting a bagger unit on this mower, like I stated in the disclaimer as well. I'm just deciding between a couple brands. I'll probably go with the Ballard one. That sparked my interest the most. It's from Australia, actually, which I find pretty interesting. But anyways, guys, just a little quick video. Kind of was recording some B-roll here and just giving you a little update on this new Gravely mower. I'm sure I'll do like a 50-hour or 100-hour review depending on, what we do with it this year. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate the support. Let me know in the comments if this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.